I like to go shopping like for long hours. I can keep walking in the shopping mall for 6 hours. I've done that many times. Beautiful. I always wanted a pink. So how is the breakfast?
Good.
Good or very good? The shoes fit perfectly. My recipe testing here, which I'm not gonna tell you guys now. It just looks yummy, beautiful. In the middle there is something. I show you after when I'm gonna make video definitely about this, posted on my channel. But yes, this is a new recipe that I have made and I can't wait for this to be done. It's almost done. Let me just take a knife and you see how soft it is? It's almost done, but not yet. Today's breakfast, I'm making hash brown. I love this hash brown. It's from Cavendish. It is so yummy, and the bag also say halal at the back from the Cavendish one. So this is what we are going to eat today for breakfast, hash brown, and I'm gonna make some egg.
I'm so hungry. She's making me vlog first. This is not fair.
You know the spinach that I made is for tomorrow lunch.
Okay, can
for
we eat?
breakfast is, you know what is it, right?
Bye guys. Bye guys.
Hi guys, bye guys. Okay, take yours. The monster plate is yours.
I have to show everybody I'm taking my friggin' breakfast.
That's right.
Oh.
Ooh. So how is the breakfast?
Good.
Good or very good? 0 out of 10.
12.
12. I love hash brown, and for me, I add some hot sauce. Not for him. So I bought a pair of shoes, Michael Kors, online, and this is what I like all the time, Michael Kors, because there's heel in it, and I always have foot pain, so like my heel pain. So having a runner shoes with a little bit of heel helped me a lot. Like I'm a person, like I like to go shopping like for long hours. I can keep walking in the shopping mall for 6 hours. I've done that many times, and after 6 hours then I'm gonna get tired. So for me to have a runner with high heel, that works properly, that works well. So let's open the box. So the box is brand new, and this is not a sponsor or anything. I paid for it with my own money. Let's open it. I can't wait myself to see that. And this is what I like with Michael Kors. They send you a return label as well. If you don't like it, just put the receipt and it takes this to the box and just return it and you'll get your money back. So oh my God, I can't wait, I'm excited. beautiful. It's beautiful. I always wanted a pink color shoes, and I do have one in pink, but it's a little bit darker than that, but this is what I wanted. And so this is a heel in the runner, and this is what I like, and this is what I'm gonna wear all the time. I will buy them in all colors, different style, but different colors, but with heel, and they are so comfortable. So I'm gonna try it on and let's see. And the shoes fit perfectly. My size is 7.5 US. It's beautiful. I have the low-cut socks. And, yeah, I can't explain how much I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it.